Hello everyone, this is Zainab Musavi. I'm going to show the process of designing our collaborative course. Here, as you can see, first we worked on teamwork policy. In teamwork policy, we decided or we made decision about our course name, which is Fun Online English Courses, which has been designed to help students improve their English, and it has been designed for all levels, and it is aimed to be interactive. And then the members need to provide their communication details, as you can see, and then the goals and skills. Each member needs to mention the learning goals and the skills that that are needed for this online course. And also here we have mentioned the potential challenges that we might face and how to, and we suggested the strategies how to overcome these challenges. And also we set up some rules for our teamwork. And again, we mentioned the methods of online communication, or the preferred communication methods. Then we discussed about leadership style. For example, for me, I'm so flexible and there's no pressure, and I'm passionate about learning, and I'd like to support others. And then we made our syllabus for our collaborative course that I will explain it later. Just let's go into our online course in the Moodle platform. Just let me show you. Here, this is the course that we designed in the Moodle platform. As you can see, this course has different sections. The first section is overview, speaking skills through storytelling, Mario section, and also you can see other sections. And then our course, in our course, the students are awarded certificates after completing the activities. And also here we have another section for moderators to discuss about the course. And here, as you can see, we have set up some blogs. As the course is supposed to help English students, we added dictionary blog. It may be helpful for students for finding the new vocabulary. And then activities. Here you can see the activities and also completion progress. And the blog online users level up. It shows the level of students' participation. Sorry. In the first session overview, we designed or we added the syllabus in the overview section. And as you can see in the abstract, this section describes the course which has been designed for English students to improve their English. And then we also highlighted that this course has been designed for all ages and for all levels. Duration of the course, this course takes 4 to 6 months. And also we mentioned the objectives of the course, and the sections of this course are based on the skills that students need to improve. And the materials are delivered through 2 platforms, Moodle and Zoom. And also we mentioned the technology tools that we are using for this course. And then you can get information about moderators here. And the next section, but first I'd like to explain about Maria's section, which is very engaging and interactive. And she has added lots of activities and resources. As you can see, this section is focusing on reading cartoons, comic strips, fables, science fiction, and also she has added forum for asking and answering the questions. And you can see, for example, she has added hot question, diary activity. Of here, you can see a choice activity. In this activity, Mario asked students to read the cartoons, and they need to choose the related vocabulary based on the cartoons. And another interesting activity is this activity, the lesson activity. I'm just going to click on it. Here, first I need to click on no. Here, students need to read this text, this reading, or this story, and then click on comprehension and exploratory questions. And here they can, it's very interesting, they can see, first they read the story, and then they need to answer the questions related to the story, and they need to post it here. But to answer Mario's question, how it has been fixed, I should say, first I need to go back, because first I couldn't see the questions. I had the same problem. If you click on this activity here on setting, you just click on edit setting. And here, below control, you need to choose allow students review. And also I've selected maximum number of attempts per question unlimited. I think if you choose yes and unlimited, you can solve this problem. just cancel. And let's go back to my section. Speaking skill through storytelling. The aim of this section is focusing on reading, on speaking, on improving speaking skills through digital storytelling. This activity is a forum, is discussion forum. Students need to watch the stories on YouTube and then discuss which one they liked most, what the story was, and how they felt about it. Then the other activity is discussion forum. Again, they need to describe an interesting story that they watched, and they need to record their own voice or upload an audio file, or they can use recorders on editor of the message, or they can use Voki. Then create your own dictionary. I added glossary, and they can add their own the vocabulary, the new vocabulary that they have learned in this activity. And then I've added label for highlighting final project. For final project, they need to join a group. Here I added a choice activity, and then they need to do a final a project, but as you can see, this activity has been restricted. First they need to join a group, and then also they need to finish the previous activity, which is discussion forum. And for final project, there are some instructions, and they need to choose a story they've heard or read, or choose from here. Here they can find a list of stories, and then divide the story into different parts, and each member has to choose one part of the story and retell it. And also they can add pictures, they can create scenes from a storyboard that, and also here I shared a video showing how to work with storyboard that. And then the other activity is diary. Here they share the experiences about online learning. And in support forum, they can ask their questions. Thank you so much for your listening.